Hello everybody in Joyful Vita, this is Megan Dimming and I want to show you how to use all your awesome points. If you are on Essential Rewards, you know that it is awesome and that you are banking back Young Living bucks for every order that you place. So I have been with Young Living with Essential Rewards over 2 years, which means every time I place an order I get 25% back in points. And so every time, let's say I spend $100, I get $25 put right into my bank over here. And I love personally to let them accumulate and then go on a shopping spree. This kind of itches my all the things that I've been wanting. I save up for and go on a little shopping spree. So the way that you use these points is you click on shop, not on ER monthly order, which is how you probably are normally ordering. So you click on shop and then you go shopping. You can put in any items that you're wanting to buy here. You can click on different categories and add things that way as well. So let's just add some toothpaste and then go back to our cart. You actually can just scroll down to your cart at any point during your shopping experience. So I have 160 PV that is in my subtotaled cart, which is less than my rewards points. So I am going to go redeem those. You can use all of them. You can use a portion of them. You can add things in there and not apply your points and just pay for them. So it's pretty flexible, which is awesome. But in this instance, I am just doing an Essential Rewards points shop. So we're going to check out and pick our shipping method if necessary, and then go to the next step. And then here is where the magic happens. This is where you apply your points. You click on Essential Rewards points. It's saying this is my balance, how many I can spend, and then I just go through and I check off the items, and you can see the points going down as I'm selecting to pay for them that way. So I still have 88 points left, but that's good to me. All I have to pay for is shipping, so my total is only $8. So I literally am buying $169 or $160 worth of stuff, and Young Living is covering it all, and I just have to pay for shipping. So then you go to your next step and you check out, and the whole deal. All right, hope that was beneficial and helpful to you guys.